Nah, dude, I don't even think she's keto, bro. Oh, hang on. I'm getting a call. Can I call you back? Alright, cool. Yo, what's good?
Hi, is this Steve?
Nah, this is actually his brother.
Oh, do you know where he is?
I might. Who wants to know?
Well, me, Kim.
Who is me?
Me is Kim.
Wait, now who is Kim?
Me! Me is Kim! My name is Kim.
Oh, Kim! Hey, what's good? How can I help you?
I'm looking for Steve. Keto Steve.
Sure, let me grab him for you.
Great, thank you very much.
Hey, bro. What's up, bro, Keto Chip? It's a girl named Kim on the phone here for you. Hold on, this is Steve.
Hey Steve, this is Kim.
Oh, hey, girl, what's up?
Not much. How's the weather out there in California?
Sunny and clear. Definitely cannot complain.
Well, that's good. Really, quickly, I need your help with something.
Sure, how can I help?
How many carbs are in an avocado?
I'm not sure.
And why do they call them fat bombs?
I have absolutely no idea.
Also, what is a macro?
Well, macro stands for macro.
Oh, never mind. I forgot. Avocados don't have carbs.
But I thought that.
Are you hungry by any chance?
Not really. I'm actually fasting.
Okay, great. I'll be over later to make lunch.
Hold on, lunch?
And don't forget to go shopping.
Shopping?
Okay, thanks so much. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
I guess I'm going shopping. Where's the bacon? Where's the bacon? Oh, thank you. Ooh, flowers. Lunchables. Bacon. These are evil. You know what a bacon is? Fully cooked bacon. Hot dog. Is this sugar-free, soy-free, dairy-free, nut-free bacon? Oh, hey, Kim, what's up?
Just checking in. Did you get the heavy cream?
Yep.
Trail mix?
Plenty.
Chicken?
Yes.
Avocados?
Uh-huh.
Okay, great. Can you swing by Trader Joe's too?
Definitely. Yes. Does anyone know where Joe is? Look at all the alcohol. I'm looking for Joe. Where is Joe? Cheese, grommet.
Pirate booty?
Aye.
Olive oil?
Yee.
Bacon?
Yes.
Cauliflower rice?
They ran out.
They what?
Oh, wait, never mind. I found some.
Oh, okay, good. I'll see you soon.
I forgot to ask. Where do you live?
I'm in Arizona.
Oh. Okay, bye.